welcome back to my channel. I just want to come here and show you how I did this top notch, that is not what it's called, top knot bun with short natural hair, short natural 4C hair. So whenever it's like wet, of course you already know it shrinks. You don't really get your full length. So without putting heat, without having to blow dry your hair, without having to stretch it out first, as soon as you wash your hair, you can get this top knot bun. So if you want to know how to do it, keep on watching. All right, y'all, as you can see, my hair is kind of stretched now. It's not in its full wet state because I already put my hair in the bun earlier, but right here I'm going to show you guys what I did to make sure my hair is tightly in the bun. What you're going to do is take the middle section of your hair and put that in a ponytail by itself. Okay, just put that in a ponytail, put a rubber band so it can be comfortable. Okay, so now you got to spray that hair down with some water, girl. Then we're gonna slick it, make sure it look nice and neat, slick downs, waves popping and all that. So we're gonna put that in the ponytail with an elastic band, brush my hair up, brush it up, and we're gonna bust it in the ponytail. Now here, as you can see, you see how I'm using the back of my hand. That's really a good technique to really get your hair in a really tight, ponytail, and it's a better grip. I feel like you get a better grip and it can be more tight and neat. So instead of using regular how I'm using it now, but when you first put it in ponytail, use put your hand backwards. I don't really know how to explain it, but you see what I'm doing. Okay, so my hair busted in the ponytail. Now this where it kind of get tricky. Okay, it's about to get tricky, but it's once you see what I'm doing, you gonna really know how to do it. So my retarded behind, as you can see, my hair looks retarded, but I'm pulling the hair up in the middle and gonna use the hair on the sides to wrap around that hair. I don't know when I'm about to do it, but I'm about to do it. Okay, there we go. I'm going to wrap it around the hair. Okay, then I'm going to bobby pin it down. So I'm going to just keep taking sections from the sides and wrapping around the hair that I pushed up, that I pulled up. Because when you pull the hair up, that's going to be the height of your top knot bun. Okay, so take full advantage. Take full advantage of that. Okay, even if your hair is short, all you got to do is pull it up and use the size of your hair and wrap it around. Okay. So as you can see, I just did it again. I'm wrapping around that hair, and it's it's loose. You might, make it loose. It ain't gotta be tight fitted, but of course, do it how you like it. So that's what I'm doing, and I got lazy and I put the rest inside of the bun because I was not gonna try to do something about that. And then I squeeze it. I'm squeezing it to make it taller. So I'm pushing it in there. You see, I'm about to do it again. The hair is pulled out. Now I'm pushing it up in there. Then squeeze it as much as you can. Now it's time to lay these edges. You know what I'm saying? My hair was already kind of laid, but I'm reactivating my edge control that I had on earlier. So yes, girl, lay them baby hairs down real nice. You know what I'm saying? Make the mugs wavy. And then yeah, I think that's it, y'all. That's really it to it. Just critique it, make sure it look cute, nice and neat and tall as possible, whatever. And you guys, that's pretty much it. Okay, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.